Hi, Jack. Are we ready for our trip?
Hi, Mia. Yes, I have our passports and boarding passes.
Great. I'm a little nervous about flying.
Don't worry, everything will be fine.
Is this the right counter for our airline?
Yes, the sign says check-in for flight 502.
I see a long line. Will it take time?
I hope not. Let's stay patient.
Do we need to show our passports first?
Yes, they will check them at the counter.
I have my passport and ticket ready.
Perfect. I'll hand mine over too.
Do we need to weigh our luggage?
Yes, the scale is right there.
I hope my bag is not too heavy.
If it is, we can move a few items to my bag.
The check-in staff looks friendly.
Yes, they will guide us through the process.
Do we need to fill any forms?
I think the staff will ask us if needed.
I'm nervous about the security rules.
Don't worry, we will follow them carefully.
Can I place my backpack on the scale now?
Yes, it looks like it's under the weight limit.
The staff is scanning our passports.
Everything seems to be fine so far.
I hope the boarding passes are correct.
Yes, the seat numbers match our reservation.
The line is moving faster now.
Good. We'll be done soon.
Do we need to check any additional items?
No, our carry-ons are fine.
I'm excited to start the trip.
Me too. It's going to be fun.
The counter staff is very helpful.
Yes, they explained everything clearly.
Shall we ask about priority boarding?
Yes, let's check if it's available.
I'll keep my documents ready.
Me too. It makes the process quicker.
Do we need to sign anything?
Yes, just a small form for the luggage.
The bag tags are printed now.
Perfect. Our bags are checked in.
That was easier than I expected.
Yes, check-in went smoothly.
Should we move to security now?
Yes, let's follow the signs.
I hope the security line is not too long.
We'll see. Usually it's busy but fast.
I'm carrying my backpack and small handbag.
Good. Make sure liquids are in the plastic bag.
Everything is packed correctly.
Perfect. Let's walk to the next area.
I'm feeling more relaxed now.
Me too. The check-in went smoothly.
I can't wait to get on the plane.
Soon, Mia. Soon we'll be at the gate.
Wow, the security area looks busy today.
Yes, but the line is moving quickly.
Do I need to take off my jacket?
Yes, and put it in the tray with your bag.
Should I remove my shoes too?
Yes, the security scanner requires it.
I hope I didn't forget anything in my pockets.
Check carefully. Even small items can set off the alarm.
I'll place my laptop in a separate tray.
Good idea. The scanner checks electronics more carefully.
Do I need to show my boarding pass again?
Yes, they will verify it at the security gate.
My backpack looks full.
Don't worry, it should fit in the tray.
The scanner is beeping for some reason.
Maybe you left a metal item in your bag.
I'll check quickly. My keys.
That's common. Always remove them before scanning.
The security officer is very polite.
Yes, they explain everything clearly.
I hope the line moves faster soon.
Don't worry, we are almost done.
Should I take out my water bottle?
Yes, liquids are not allowed in carry-on.
I'll put it in the bin.
Good. That avoids any delays.
The conveyor belt is moving smoothly.
Yes, it's easy to place trays in order.
Do I need to remove my watch too?
Yes, metal items must go through the scanner separately.
My bag passed the scan.
Perfect. Mine too.
Should we walk through the metal detector now?
Yes, follow the instructions from the officer.
I'm a little nervous about it.
Don't worry, it's simple and quick.
The detector didn't beep.
Great, we can move to the next area.
Everything seems very organized here.
Yes, the security staff works efficiently.
I hope our flight gate is not far.
We can check the signs once we pass security.
I feel a little tired from carrying the bags.
We'll rest once we reach the waiting area.
I think we did everything correctly.
Yes, no issues at security.
It's good that the officer was helpful.
It makes the process less stressful.
Shall we put our shoes back on?
Yes, and don't forget your jacket.
My bag feels lighter now.
Mine too. It's easier to carry.
I'm excited to reach the gate.
Me too. We are almost there.
Do we need to check the monitors for our flight?
Yes, let's see which gate we should go to.
I hope it's not too far from here.
We'll find out soon.
Walking through security was easier than I expected.
Yes, it went very smoothly.
I feel ready to wait at the gate now.
Me too. Let's move forward.
Finally, we reached the gate area.
Yes, it looks calm and not too crowded.
I'll place my backpack beside me.
Good. I'll sit next to you and check the flight schedule.
The windows show our plane outside.
It looks big and ready for boarding.
I hope the flight will be on time.
Yes, the departure board shows no delays.
I brought a book to read while waiting.
That's a good idea. I'll check some news on my phone.
The chairs are very comfortable.
Yes, it's nice to sit and relax before boarding.
Do you want a snack from the vending machine?
Maybe later. Let's focus on the flight info first.
I'm excited but a little nervous.
Don't worry, it's a short flight.
I see some passengers boarding already.
Yes, first priority boarding starts soon.
Shall we check our boarding pass again?
Yes, just to make sure we have the correct gate number.
I hope we have good seats on the plane.
We chose the aisle and window. It should be fine.
The departure board is easy to read.
Yes, all flights are listed clearly.
Should we charge our phones before boarding?
Good idea. There are outlets near the chairs.
I feel more relaxed now sitting here.
Me too. Waiting is much better than standing in line.
Do you want a cup of water from the dispenser?
Yes, I'll take a small one.
I hope the boarding announcement comes soon.
It should be any minute now.
The gate staff is preparing for boarding.
Yes, they are checking documents and calling passengers.
I see some passengers with small children.
They usually get priority boarding first.
Should we stand closer to the gate?
Let's stay seated a few minutes. We don't need to rush.
I'm glad we arrived early.
Yes, it gives us time to relax and organize our things.
I hope the plane is clean and comfortable.
It usually is. We airline has good reviews.
I like watching airplanes from the windows.
Me too. It's exciting to see them up close.
Should we check our passports one more time?
Yes, it's always safer to have them ready.
I think we packed everything we need.
Me too. Our bags are ready for boarding.
The atmosphere here feels calm and safe.
Yes, the staff is very professional.
I see a flight attendant near the gate.
They are preparing for passengers to board soon.
I'm excited to get on the plane.
Me too. It's almost time.
Shall we review our tickets one last time?
Yes, I'll check the seat numbers again.
I feel ready for the journey.
Me too. Boarding will start shortly.
I hope the flight is smooth and quick.
Yes, it should be. We will be there soon.
Let's stay calm and enjoy the wait.
Agreed. A little patience makes it easier.
Look, the flight attendant is checking boarding passes now.
Yes, it's our turn soon. Let's make sure everything is ready.
I have my passport and ticket in hand.
Good. I'll hold mine as well. It's easier this way.
The jet bridge looks long today.
Yes, but it's covered. We'll walk comfortably to the plane.
I'm a little nervous about walking on it.
Don't worry, it's safe. Many passengers use it every day.
Shall we line up behind the other passengers?
Yes, the staff will call our row soon.
I hope our seats are together.
Don't worry, I double-checked. We have an aisle and window next to each other.
The airplane looks big from up close.
Yes, it looks impressive. I like seeing it this way.
I wonder how the cabin looks inside.
It should be clean and organized. They always prepare it well.
I see the flight number on the plane door.
Yes, it matches our boarding pass. Everything is correct.
Shall we step on the bridge now?
Yes, carefully. Let's follow the attendant's instructions.
I like the lights inside the bridge.
Me too. It feels welcoming and safe.
Look at the airplane windows. They are shiny and clean.
Yes, it's nice to see them from up close before boarding.
Do I need to check my carry-on bag now?
No, you can take it with you. Just make sure it fits above the seat.
I hope the flight attendants are friendly.
They usually are. They help with everything on board.
I feel a little excited now.
Me too. Boarding is always the start of an adventure.
The staff is checking passengers' documents carefully.
Yes, it's important. It keeps everyone safe.
I see our row being called.
Perfect. Let's get ready to enter.
The stairs inside the jet bridge feel steady.
Yes, it's easy to walk. We don't need to rush.
I like seeing the cabin as we approach.
Me too. It looks neat and comfortable.
Do we need to put our bags under the seat or in the overhead bin?
Both options are fine. The overhead bin is big enough for our bags.
I hope we find our seats quickly.
Don't worry, they're easy to spot.
The aisle is wide enough to move comfortably.
Yes, it makes boarding easier for everyone.
Shall we greet the flight attendant when we enter?
Yes, a smile is always nice.
The seats look soft and clean.
They are. I like how organized the cabin is.
I feel ready to sit down and relax.
Me too. It's almost time for takeoff.
I hope the flight will be smooth.
Yes, the pilot is experienced. It should be calm.
Do we need to fasten our seatbelts now?
Yes, it's important. The staff will show us how.
I like seeing the runway through the window.
Me too. It's exciting to watch before takeoff.
I'm happy we arrived early and everything went smoothly.
Me too. We handled check-in, security, and boarding perfectly.
I feel ready for this flight adventure.
Me too. Let's enjoy it together.